Welcome to the Build Your Skills Layering and Graduation collection from MHDPro. Stacey Broughton teaches a variety of essential, basic techniques on a training head, which will increase your skill level and solidify your understanding of the fundamentals of layering and graduation. On completion, you can download an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. In Lesson 1, Stacey demonstrates a mid-square layered haircut that teaches you how to place a square layered shape on a round head utilising corner placement and over-direction. Lesson 2 guides you through a classic uniform layer, cutting the hair to equal lengths. This technique teaches you how to follow the head shape and create a cut with no over-direction, as everything is pulled to 90 degrees from the head. In Lesson 3, Stacey demonstrates how to place a square layered shape on a round head, utilising corner placement and over-direction. The fourth lesson demonstrates a triangular graduated shape, which combines one length, graduation and over-direction. Finally, Lesson 5 teaches you a vital cutting technique, with Stacey demonstrating a graduated bob. Use our see, do, stop, check method to practice, develop and master the skills delivered in the Build Your Skills Layering and Graduation collection. Complete this online course and receive an exclusive CPD Certificate of Recognition. Buy the Build Your Skills Layering and Graduation collection now, only on MHDPro.com. MHDPro, learning at any pace, any place, anytime.